I remember, hinuli pa ako ni Mayor Jinggoy na.
Talaga?
Yeah, yun yung time na. Yung...
Patago kasi.
Yan, yung mga illegal drag racers na nandyan sa Creekside in Green Hills. So, ano yun eh, it was Filipino car culture.
Okay.
So I had a car prepared for illegal racing. I raced for bets. And everybody knows that in the industry. Pagka may karera na, tatawid lang ng EDSA. And it was really white plains. White plains, diba? So yung mga pauwi sa inyo, nakikita yun. Kakaroon ng traffic. Yung ganyan. So, yun. Doon ako nag-start. And with Mark and Eric, we did a stint for Yamaha. And we were taken care of sponsorship from Yamaha motorcycles. So we would do motocross events. Masarap noong time na yun, were the trail, motocross trail, akit kami ng bundok, walang kalye, ganyan. So, a bit yeah, pero ako lang yung, I was the one who went professional.
Thanks.